Before we continue with CSS styles, I want to show you something. Let's go to the HTML code. As I said before, the heading word counter and the reset game button are hidden thanks to the dNone class. I am going to remove the dNone class in the HTML element. Okay, let's go to the browser. We can see how the heading word counter and the reset game button are displayed without problem. dNone class works very well. Let's go back to the HTML to recover the dNone classes. It's time to continue with CSS styles. Here we go. The tiles of the count container and the image container will be centered. We need a flex direction column in the IMG container class. Initially, the images representing the hidden words in this minigame must be shown without their original colors. When the player discovers a word, the image returns to its true color. Let's see the changes. The images are positioned correctly and have lost their original colors. We are in a good path. Let's go back to CSS to start with the first letter styles. This class will come into use when we start with the JavaScript code. I go back to the browser to see the new changes. The letters are taking shape and have separated a little from the images. In the next video, we will use media queries to make the minigame responsive.